me no yam chicken. You can't give me chicken foot and me. Hey guys, your girl Nell Slays, and welcome back to another video. And you know what, always laying over on this channel. So in today's video, it has been a long time since I have done a story time. Okay guys, and this story time, my story time is not normal here. Them out of this world, and all of them things ever happen to me, me no wish them upon nobody. Alright, so if you're new, welcome. My name is Chanel, but you can call me Nell Slays. And if you're my returning subscribers, you don't know the thing lit already. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post another video. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I really and truly don't know what to name the video here, but this video is about me being a bit, I think I was around 14, 15, I'm not sure, and something happened. I ended up got sick, really sick, me and my brother, and my father was trying to find the remedy. Yes, it's another story time about my father. He was trying to find the remedy, I guess, and it never worked. So let's tell you. Alright, so me used to live in our family house were really big, alright, like a whole heap away, auntie, uncle, grandma, grandpa, also yeah, all of them people that did live at the house. And my auntie, she used to cook for me some evenings or so forth. Most of the time I me cook, but she don't cook for me, right? So we have a deep freeze, and whole heap of things did in there, but them did in there too long. So my auntie did like make curry chicken foot for me. To tell you, from that day, me not eat curry chicken foot again here. Not even curry, me not name chicken foot, period. Me not eat it again. Well, she went, she seasoned up the chicken foot, she cook it and everything. But I think I think she didn't make it with rice, white rice, I think. So she make that, and with white rice, time for eating now, right? Right. Some of the chicken foot it still leave back. And it kind of tastes away. I'm know say I never my auntie cooking because my auntie can't cook here. Her hand them sharp, but she can't cook. So we eat, and we not really pay no mind because we young and so forth. So we just eat and go on and all of that. Next thing I know, probably about a couple days after, maybe a day or two after, we end up I get like really sick. And me I tell you, so the sick where we sick, we can't move, we can't do nothing. Like, me don't know what kind of sickness this. It just happened all of a sudden. But the thing is, we realize say at the chicken foot we end up eat, and when them check on the chicken foot, them realize that the chicken foot never good. The chicken foot in the fridge for so long and it never used, and my auntie end up going use it, so it didn't make us sick bad. So my father him never go carry no doctor. He never go do none of them something there. So him always a try to find the remedy, and the remedy where him a find, it just not work. It not work at all. Up here so for him. Me no know who tell my father say, or if there was an actual saying that anything where make you sick, cure you, or something like that. Someone saying also, the only saying me know is wanna sick you, make you stronger, or something like that, right? Like that type of saying there. Me don't know where my father can research this, but that man, he went ahead and steal chicken foot we did in the fridge. You know the little part that we always company chicken, especially the foot, the yellow scaly part where you have to pick off and so forth. Yeah, it's that same yellow part there. My father will boil it. Bruh. You know what him tell us say? Me and my brother, him say we're supposed to drink it and don't care up nothing.
Get out of here.
Man child, we sick. Sick so till sick. Them could I carry hospital. But no, him not carry hospital. Him find the remedy. So him boil it until we drink it. Until we don't carry it up. No sugar, no nothing. I just the stinking chicken put skin. We go in there and the water boil before we drink it. I will never forget that day. To all the things stinking, man. Just spending that you just want. So my uncle, baby father at the time. Say, he really and truly don't know what wrong with our father up here, so it's like something really not click. Cause he wanna know how if he make him pity them drink that thing. That no good for drink. That no good. Me no know how that I can make you feel better. But yeah, make go drink it. And what I know, I drink. What I know is I drink. And that what I know is I drink never gonna work because you swallowing that thing was the worst thing ever. I may tell you so. When I swallow it, it's like I can't even take no more. But the moment someone finish it. Someone finish it and I say, don't carry it up. This was just me. Yeah, you know what I style is? When you want a badminton, you don't want it come up. Yeah. Yes, when him gone, I outdoor me gone. Outdoor me gone, go let out everything. Me don't know what my brother did do. Me don't live him for me don't know what him do. But me tell you what me do. Me let out everything. And we'll come like one fire hydrant. So parents, please me I beg you know. You see if something sick on a child, don't get them back the same thing. To make them feel better because me don't know what that part they work here. That part they don't work, that part they not logical, so don't do it. That from that time, me no yam chicken. You can't give me chicken for a minute. Can't do that time. I'm not eat it. Because I'm gonna look on it and look at you. You not eat it. Right. But yeah guys, the story time there it was kinda traumatic because it didn't make me name chicken foot no more. And I don't know if I ever will. So please me beg you know. Don't give no pitney. Nothing. We sick them. Because me don't know what to make them better. Because as sure as it make me better, you make me eat chicken foot. But yeah, guys, let me tell you this. I have one whole heap a story time. I tell you now. So if you don't want to hear more, remember, go down in the comments and make a note. Say you want to hear about more of my story times. Alright, and I do have other story times that are already on my channel. So you can still watch them then other than because they're very interesting. But yeah, if there's anything else that you guys want me to post on as well, or do here, makeup, story time, challenge, anything you want, just let me know. I'm gonna do it for you. Alright, because I love to take on challenges. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and again it's a girl, Nell Slays, and I'm out.